Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Position the person against a plain wall and set soft, neutral light. This reduces visual noise. Once done, sit 1 to 2 meters away and relax your face and shoulders so you don't strain. Soften your gaze and let your eyes unfocus slightly, looking just beside the person's outline. Hold that gentle stare for 2 to 5 minutes while breathing slowly. You're training peripheral vision to detect subtle contrasts. This first step primes your visual system for aura perception. Once you've relaxed your gaze, practice soft focus cycles. Look directly for 20 seconds, then let your vision drift into the periphery for 40 seconds. You will begin to notice faint color fringes or halos at the edge of the person's silhouette. Make sure to compare against nearby neutral objects to separate aura from background reflection. Move your attention slowly up and down the body to map variations. Keep breathing evenly and record colors or shades mentally. This trains discrimination between optical artifacts and persistent energy-like impressions. To finish, step back and verbalize or sketch dominant colors and where they appeared on the body. This consolidates what you observed. If you saw nothing, don't force it. Rest your eyes for 15 to 20 minutes, lower ambient brightness, and retry with the subject slightly closer or farther by half a meter. Make sure you haven't had caffeine or alcohol, which alter perception. If glare or double images persist, change background color. These troubleshooting steps resolve most common visual confusions and help you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.